excited to be here today to talk about innovation. In manufacturing circles, innovation is the key to success. Without that, we all may as well go back home. So innovation really is the key to how do we achieve scalable and profitable growth, which is what we're all interested in. And I work with clients ranging from small family-owned businesses to large multi-billion-dollar complex organizations. And what I can tell you is that the thing that distinguishes success is those companies that really focus in on innovation. So I'm really excited and to be here today to talk about innovation in the Inland Empire and some companies that have done an outstanding job with regards to innovation. Now, I've said some of these same things last year. However, it's really continuing to change every day because in today's Amazon-impacted marketplace, the customer experience is critical. That is the key to achieving scalable and profitable growth. So how do we do that? If you think about problem solving, us as manufacturers, we're really good, typically speaking. We're awesome problem solvers, and that's great. It means that we have a problem, we deviate from our standard level of performance, and we figure out how to fix that. Great, we need to continue doing that, but it's not gonna be sufficient. If we want to compete in today's Amazon-impacted marketplace, innovation takes us not to our standard, back to a standard level, but we leapfrog to a whole nother level, to a completely new level of performance. And that's what we really need to do to be wildly successful.